Hi there, I'm Dawn Holly Johnson, and I engineer organizations. So, anything we engineer in the world actually works very well. It's quite reliable. But there's certain areas of work that we don't consider engineering to be important. When we think of engineering, we think of buildings, structures, right? Cars, airplanes. We have never really brought an engineering mindset to healthcare systems, organizations, businesses, and therefore they don't run optimally. So what I'm bringing to the world is to engineer organizations to actually function simply and effectively while allowing an amazingly collaborative culture to occur. So welcome to video 5 of the Wildly Successful Enterprises program video series. And in our last video, what I had you do is define what your end-to-end value delivery process was, and then I had you trace that through your organizational chart. Well, the thumbnail that I've attached to this video shows a depiction of something of what that exercise should have resulted in. And there's several takeaways to take from this. Number one, your organization is not designed to deliver value, because that value delivery flow is literally like spaghetti. It's all over your organizational chart. And there's huge disconnects, because what we do is we group experts into departments. And so we have all the same group think in marketing, and then all the same group think in sales, and then all the same group think in operations. So we're not taking advantage of the fact that different experts think differently depending on what functional expertise they have behind them. So why not use all of that? And then secondly, why not design our organization to be extremely streamlined and literally just deliver value faster, better than you ever thought possible? Well, there's a way to do that. So in our next video series, we're going to start to get into that a bit. And I want you to seriously contemplate this. Right now, if you have groups of experts all working together, then nobody's thinking outside of the box. You don't have an innovative culture. And also, another thing, if you'll notice, after you drew out your value delivery process on your hierarchy, is none of it touched senior management. So they're never really directly involved in the delivery process. They get very disconnected from the day-to-day work. And I, over my career, working in every industry, every size organization, seeing the same problems over and over again, I talk to frontline workers. That could be anyone. That could be a software developer, a customer service representative, an assembly line mechanic. It could be a variety of different people. And they're not having much fun. And so the people at the top are making decisions when not knowing what it's really taking, what all the people in the organization are really having, what hoops they're having to jump through in order to get the job done. And this is affecting your customers. And it's affecting all your metrics, and it's definitely affecting your financials. So why not create a simpler way? And I'm going to leave you with that. I want you to think about that, because this is so ingrained in society. It's so natural for us to form into hierarchies. And it's the absolute worst design you could ever create for a business. So until next time, be well. And if you haven't had a chance to see the other Wildly Successful video series, then I've included a link below for you to visit all of them. Thank you so much. Take care.